In Leon County, Florida, the new public safety complex consolidates the county's emergency service functions, as well as the city of Tallahassee's emergency services, into one 100,000 gross square foot facility. The two-building facility is designed to lead silver standards and is self-sustaining and resilient in every regard, while meeting the redundancy and flexibility needs of the organizations it houses. Here, Carl Morgan, construction manager with the Division of Facilities Management and Construction and project manager for the new facility, discusses ways in which the facility also reduces recurring maintenance costs by design.
One of the charges that was given to me in the beginning of the project by management, the City and County Commission, was to minimize as much as possible the recurring cost of this facility. You will spend a lot more in service cost and maintenance cost on a facility than you ever spend on first cost. The first thing that comes to mind in reducing recurring cost is energy, but that's only one component. The other component is the serviceability of the equipment, making sure that the maintenance clearances, for instance, on all the equipment is achieved. Minimizing the time of maintenance, making sure that work that needs to be done to the equipment can be done as efficiently as it needs to be done and as quickly as it needs to be done. Been in the operations business for a long time, and there's been a lot of times that equipment is located in such a way that it is not maintainable. You cannot get to it. That's an important part of the recurring or reducing the recurring cost in a building. Making sure the equipment can be removed if it fails, or when it reaches the end of its life, that it can be easily removed. Those are all aspects of architectural design that need to be brought to bear on the project and need to be looked at, and to some degree, operations staff needs to have an intense input into this. It makes a big difference in the maintenance cost of the building. By the same token, the products that are selected are very important. The veneer that's on the outside of the building, does it require annual maintenance? Does it require some kind of expenditure annually or biannually, those kind of things? Selecting the materials is very, very important also. And of course, energy. Energy cost is a big part of long-term operational cost of a building. So in this building, we tried very hard to select systems that were very cost-effective. As an example, all of the lighting in the building, or virtually all of the lighting in the building, is LED, or light-emitting diodes. It's all controlled by motion detection devices. When we did the lighting design of the building, we lowered the general lighting level in the building down to about 15 or 20 foot candles, much lower than the historical norm. That in and of itself reduced the amount of light and proportionally the electricity in the building. By having the ability in this project to manage the actual furnishings in the office allowed us to deploy task lighting in the locations where we needed high contrast lighting. So there's a lot of things like that that we tried to build into the project by having basically an adequate budget to address all of those needs.
To learn more about the 2014 FMXcellence winners and their projects, check out the August cover story in Building Operating Management magazine. And for Building Operating Management, this has been Naomi Mijan, Senior Editor. Thanks for watching.